The synopsis, made easy. You have completed your MSS, you have even written a cover letter to enclose with your MSS, but still, that is not enough. You need a synopsis of your work to add to them as well. What is a synopsis? A synopsis is a summary of your work. You must always enclose a synopsis with your manuscripts. Do not expect the editor/publisher to read your MSS without it, as they do not have much time available. Your synopsis will tell them if it is worth reading further on. So, it is important to write a good synopsis, as it is this document that represents and will sell your work. How to write a synopsis. First, write the title of your work, followed by your name. Then write the word synopsis in the middle. E.g. Turtles, by Jason Brown Synopsis. Now, try to be brief and precise. This is only the outline of your work, so skip details or any unnecessary information. Let us suppose you have written a book about turtles. You can start, the proposed book, aimed at pet lovers and pet owners would extol the, you must state who your book is aimed at and what it is about, then you can add a new paragraph. The book would fill a much-needed gap in the market because, you must justify the need for your book. Try to find a good reason, so as to persuade the prospective publisher that it is worth investing on your work. Now, go for the layout of your book. You could write, it is suggested that the book should contain 10 chapters on the breeds. The introductory chapter would deal with the followed by a chapter on, finally, you can end. It is considered that chapters would also be included on. Bear in mind that in your synopsis you are marketing an idea, which will be backed up with a specimen chapter and a list of chapters. You must be original. Publishers need a fresh approach, even if the subject you have written about is common. Be brief. No more than 1,000 words, original 50,000, or less. Usually one A4-page sheet is enough. The shorter, the better. Write your name, address, contact numbers, email, at the end of the synopsis. In the case of a novel, write down the plot of the story in one page. Keep the main points and discard the rest. The publisher will only want to know what your story is about, the basics of the plot, and what happens in the end. If he likes it, he will go on to read your specimen copy. Be prepared to wait for a long time before you get a reply. Do not call the publisher and do not send a fax. Be patient. However, if you don't get a reply in the specified time, write or email to the publisher. E.g., you can say, Dear Mr. Brown, publisher's name, I wonder what has happened to my novel, title, sent to you on, date. I would be grateful if you could send me a reply at your earliest convenience. Sincerely, Mary Smith, your name, that's all. Now, you can start writing your synopsis. Good luck.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.